Tempers flared late Saturday in the House of Representatives before the Republican-controlled chamber approved a spending bill.
This is a bill to keep the government open.
Congressman Rob Woodall hailed a provision in the bill delaying implementation of President Barack Obama's signature health care law.
It asked to delay it for 1 year. For 1 year.
Democrats blasted Republican tactics to cripple the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare. Congressman David Price.
Another chapter of Republican hostage-taking, threatening to shut down the government or refuse to pay the country's bills if they don't get their way politically.
Republicans insist they are simply representing their constituents' concerns. Congressman Mark Meadows.
You know, we've heard a lot in this chamber this evening about the government. The government this, the government that, the government. When do we start focusing on the people?
The House bill goes back to the Democratic-controlled Senate, which last week voted to extend federal funding with no other provisions attached. Majority Leader Harry Reid called the House bill pointless and said that only a clean spending bill will reach President Obama's desk. The president has refused to negotiate with Republicans.
No one gets to hurt our economy and millions of innocent people just because there are a couple of laws that you don't like. It hasn't been done in the past, and we're not going to start doing it now.
Monday, the Senate is expected to shelve the House bill, leaving the U.S. government without spending authority as of October 1st. This is the first of two fiscal fights. Later this month, Congress must extend federal borrowing authority or risk a default on the national debt. Economists warn that a protracted government shutdown or a debt default would bring disastrous consequences. The domestic fiscal battles come as President Obama pursues a nascent, fragile diplomatic opening with Iran in hopes of restricting Tehran's nuclear program. The topic is sure to be a focus of discussions Monday when Mr. Obama hosts Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu at the White House. Michael Bowman, VOA News, Washington.